In this video, you'll learn how to generate ad copy using Kimi AI. This guide will take you step by step through the process, enabling you to create effective advertising. First, navigate to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI interface, which includes various options for generating content. Next, locate the prompt area on the screen. This is typically a text input box prominently displayed. Click on this prompt area to activate it, allowing you to enter your request for ad copy. After that, type in the phrase generate ad copy about newspaper. This specific request will guide Kimi AI to create content related to newspapers. Ensure that you are clear and concise in your input to achieve the best results. Once you have entered your request, look for the enter button, which is usually found adjacent to the prompt area. Click on this button to submit your request to Kimi AI for processing. You may notice a brief loading indicator, which indicates that your request is being processed. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the ad copy. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request and the current load on the system. Be patient as the AI compiles the relevant content. Once the generation process is complete, the ad copy will appear in the designated output area on the screen. Review the text to ensure it meets your expectations and make any necessary adjustments or edits as needed. If the output is satisfactory, you can proceed to use the generated copy for your advertising needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next UN.